Hi friends, this video shows how to manually update Google TV apps. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go to apps, go down, set manage updates. Set see available updates. And here you can see update available, 6 updates available. Select it. And here you can see list of recently updated apps. On top you can see check for updates. Set this button, that way we can check for new updates. It says no updates available. If there is an update, it would show that update here. From here we can manually select update of one app, then we can install it or cancel. So this way we can manually update Google TV apps. Let me go back. If you want to automatically install all Google TV apps update, you can use this option, enable it. So device will automatically install all apps updates. Okay, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.